How to track YouTube video comments in Google Sheets. So this video is very useful for all the YouTubers here, because here I'm going to teach you that whenever a new comment is arrived on your channel, how you can automatically export the very same comment along with the video details into the spreadsheet without doing anything manually. Yes, you just need to set an automation in between YouTube and Google Sheet with the help of an automation software, and after that, whenever a new comment will be arrived here, the details will be added automatically into the spreadsheet. Want to learn how you can do that? Come with me and I'll show you the whole process step by step. So this is my YouTube channel, and here whenever a comment will be arrived, I am going to save that very same comment here into the spreadsheet. For that, I'll have to build a connection in between these two applications, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. Well, it is an amazing integration and automation software via which you can build connection in between different applications and create the automation. You can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box. Now, if you're a new user, you will have to sign up for free, where you will also get free task every month in order to test these kinds of amazing automation. I'm already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I'm clicking on sign in, clicking on access now, and this is how you will see that I will reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now, after reaching out to the dashboard, the very first thing you will have to do is to click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and simply provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Here I am providing the name as add YouTube comments in Google Sheets. Now you will have to click on this button create, and after that you will find two boxes in front of you. These are actually trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, automatically send an email via Gmail application. And here, according to our use case, whenever a new comment is arrived on YouTube application, automatically add the comment details in Google Sheets application. So this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are setting up an automation, and here we are building the automation in between YouTube application and Google Sheets application. So that is why the first application here I have selected is YouTube, and I want that whenever a new comment is arrived on our channel, in that case this automation should trigger. So that is why I am going to select new comment on a channel. I want that whenever a new comment is arrived on a channel, this automation should start trigger. So that is why I have selected this particular trigger event. Now click on connect, and the idea here is we are going to connect our YouTube channel with the Pabbly Connect. So you will have to click on this button, provide the access of your channel, and do not worry, Pabbly Connect is 100% safe. Your data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Click on continue, and this is how you will see that the authorization will be successful and the YouTube account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking to select the channel name. Well, I have the channel name as the demo channel only, so I'll be selecting the same. Okay, now it is asking for the maximum results. So maximum results parameter specifies the maximum number of items that should be returned in the result set. Okay, and acceptable values are 1 to 100 inclusive. The default value is 20. Okay, so here you'll have to define that what number of item you would like to fetch at a time. So here if I leave this particular field blank, you will see that it will automatically take the default value as 20. So if I'll click on this button, you will see that the most recent comment added into this particular channel will be captured here automatically into the Pabbly Connect. So let me show you. Here I'm going to open a video in front of you, and I'll post a random comment. Okay, so here we have the video as best PHP course for beginners. Let us open this particular video, and here I'll be posting a comment that your course is really nice, but it would be grateful if you will start cover the advanced thing in this course. Okay, so how about someone is posting this particular comment, someone is sharing this particular comment on your YouTube video, and click on comment. Now I'll be coming back to Pabbly Connect, and here I am going to click on this button save and send test request, and you will see that the most recent comment details will be captured here. Okay, the response is blank. I'll have to wait for few more seconds, and here you can see that this trigger will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. So what will happen, within every 10 minutes. In every 10 minutes, the system will go to the YouTube and will check for the new comments, and whatever the comments it will find out, it will fetch out those details into the Pabbly Connect in every 10 minutes. Okay, now I am going to check whether the comment has been posted on our YouTube channel or not, because the comment has not captured into the Pabbly Connect. Okay, here you can see your course is really nice. The comment has been posted. Now I'll be clicking on this button once again, and here you can see the response has been received, and the response was received when I have provided this particular value, the default value 20. Okay, so here you can see, let us check the details one by one. Here we have the video ID as this. Here we have the video ID once again. Here we have the date. Okay, updated date, top level comment snippet, updated date. Okay, and this is the same comment which the user has posted. You can read it. Your course is really nice, but it would be grateful if you'll start cover the advanced thing in this particular course. All right, we have the date, we have the channel name as well, and I also want, let us check the spreadsheet. I want the date which has already captured. I want the comment that is also captured. I also want the video link, the video title, and the author name. Okay, so let me check whether these three details are added or not, have been captured or not. Well, if I'm checking the data, I'm not able to find the video title, video URL, and even the author URL, author name. Okay, so how I'm going to get these details? Well, you will have to add one more step here as the YouTube only, and then we are going to fetch these details as well, and then finally we are going to add those details into the spreadsheet. Alright, so I have added the YouTube once again as the action application, and here you will have to select the action step as list of videos by ID. Okay, sorry, list of video by ID. Okay, now clicking on connect, and again you'll have to connect to your YouTube account with Pabbly Connect. Well, I have already made the connections. How about I go with the existing connections, basically the saved connections. Alright, it is asking for the video ID which I'll be receiving from where. Here you can see I have received the video ID, and I don't need to manually copy and paste this ID here. I am going to map it, and mapping is very simple in Pabbly Connect. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down, and simply select that particular value. And if I'll click on this button, you will see I will also get other details. Okay, here you can see the response has been received. Let us check the video details, and here we have the title of our video. We even have got the description of the video. Well, I do not want to capture the video details. All right, now I need the author name. Okay, so let us check whether we have received the author name or not. Okay, well, I couldn't find the author name. I think I have already received the author name into the previous step, and yes, here you can see I have the author display name as the demo channel, because well, I have posted the comment via the same channel only. That is why it is showing the channel name, the author name as mine only. But if a new user is going to comment, don't worry, the author name of that particular user will be captured here automatically. Okay, so we already have captured the date, the comment, the video title, the author, but where is the video link? I couldn't even find the video link in this particular data as well. So if I'll open this video URL in front of you, you can notice that how this video URL has been made. Here we have the predefined value as https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=. Okay, so this is going to be the same value in every video. The part which is going to vary, which is going to change, is this second part, and which is the video ID, and we already have captured the video ID. So how about we make the video URL with the help of automation only, but we are going to add some trick here. Okay, so I'll show you that how we are going to make that. We are going to make this video URL. It is going to be really very interesting. Okay, I'll show you how. Okay, so coming back to Pabbly Connect, and we have captured all the details via YouTube channel. Now finally we are going to add these details to our Google Sheets. So that is why I'll click on this plus icon and search for the Google Sheets here, because I want to perform the next operation with the Google Sheets. So that is why Google Sheets will be the next application. And action event, I just want to update, I just want to add a new row, and in that row the data should be added. So that is why I'm selecting this particular action event. Now I'm going to click on connect, and again I'll go with the existing connection. But make sure if you are building the connections, if you're building this automation for the very first time, you'll have to go to the add new connection, click on the sign in with Google, and provide the access of your Google Sheets account. Okay, I'm going with the existing connection, and you will see how my Google Sheets will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. And yes, it is connected, and whatever the spreadsheets are available into my account have started visible here. And I am going to select this all YouTube video comments Google Sheets, and it is visible here only. I have selected the same. Second thing it is asking to select is the sheet. Well, I just have a single sheet here, so I'll select the same. I'll go with the same. I don't need to do anything manually. Okay, now it is asking for the date. Well, as I have told you that I have received all the data already, and I don't need to manually copy and paste the data here. Again, I'm going to map this data, and how mapping can be performed. Click on this particular field and find your data here. So here we have the comment date as this. So I have mapped here, asking for the comment. Where is the comment? Remember, we have captured the comment into the first step only. So I'm going to map the same. Your course is really nice. Okay, video link was, well, I have told you that we are going to actually make this link. How? So I'm going to first copy the static part, basically the part which is not going to change. Okay, I have pasted it, and now I'm going to map that second part which is going to change. Okay, so you must be thinking that what is this mapping which I am repeating again and again. So whatever the values you are going to map here will replace automatically when this automation is going to work in real time. So let's say a new comment has arrived on YouTube channel, so that the very same comment will be captured first by a Pabbly Connect, and the same comment then replace this existing value. And this is how this automation is going to take place, and this is the power of mapping. And likewise, the same video ID will be also replaced automatically, and this is how the video link can be created. Asking for the video title, so we have the video title in the second step. So let us check for the title, and here we have the snippet title as best PHP course for beginners. Lastly, it is asking for the author name. So how about I directly search for the author name, and here we have the author display name. Okay, finally I'm going to click on this button, save and send test request, and wait for the response. And here you can see I have actually received the response. Let me correct the formatting so that you can see the things very clearly. Let me do it as a left align, and here we have the date. In case you want to split this particular date, you can also do the same with the help of this particular option. Here you can see split text to column, and if you will separate the value via T, your date and time will be separated. Here we have the comment, the video you link. Okay, let us check whether it is the same link or not. And yes, it is the same video link on which we have commented. Okay, basically the user has commented. Let us check. And yes, it is the same video link. We even have the video title, we even have the author URL. So this is how now onwards, every time someone is going to post a comment on your YouTube channel, the same comment will be automatically captured into the Google Sheets, and you just need to wait for 10 minutes, because as I have told you, the trigger will work in every 10 minutes. So just in case your video comment has not captured in the real time, do not just get bothered, just wait for 10 minutes. So this is how everything will work in the backend. You just need to set an automation inside Pabbly Connect just once, and after that, every time the comment has arrived, the details will be added into the Google Sheets. I'm also going to attach the video URL, sorry, the workflow URL which I have created in front of you into my description box. So if you will click on this particular link and sign up for free in the Pabbly Connect, the same workflow will be cloned into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.